What is going on, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've been on camera. I got Harry vlog in the background, but right now I'm actually going to pick up some. Well, actually, hopefully today.
This is the day that we get.
I'm crossing my fingers that I go and pick up some wheels for the Beamer. Right now I'm going to the bank right now and pick up some cash and buy these wheels. Hopefully I like them. I have to get some good content. You know? It's hot as a bitch. But right now I'm waiting for my dad to get back from work. I'm super excited. Like what's going on, guys? I'm back. It's the next day, and so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the new tires I got. Damn, fucking, oh nah, damn. We're taking pictures right now, you know. Oh, snag. But I'm gonna bring out.
I actually think the car looks better now with the rims.
And actually lower it down this time. Oh my god. But I gotta, you know, I gotta add actually use the gimbal and stuff to take some shots of the car. Finally, because I used to take shots of the gimbal of my car. I'll be like, nah, she's like, now, this bitch this bitch is snag. What's going on, guys? It's the same night. It's actually, was it Saturday? Yeah, Saturday morning. As you can see, it's 12:14 and my computer's about to die. But anyways, right now I'm just chilling. I'm trying to finish this video. I'm trying to make an outro. I'm looking for some songs right now so I can upload to my Instagram. I'm gonna be uploading a post on there like after I upload this video, because you can see I was slacking, and I also just got off work not too long ago. So yeah, I didn't have time to finish editing the video. But and if you're not following my Instagram, I'm looking down in the description, so you guys can go check out what I'm gonna be uploading of the car, revealing the wheels and stuff like that, because it's crazy, man. This car, I love this car. Cinematic shots of the car. I already did, I just gotta put them together and stuff. But yeah, hopefully this video is up soon. I don't know when, probably by Sunday. I'll try my best Sunday. But I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the wheels. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, stay safe. Coronavirus is out there like crazy right now. Stay inside, stay healthy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.